In this video, I'll show you how to make an app in Airtable. Once you are on your Airtable account, the first step is to create a workspace that will specifically be for your app. And in order for you to do that, head over to the bottom and the left corner. From here, you will find a button that says Create. Be sure to click on it. Once that's done, you'll be asked if you either want to build an app or build an app on your own. Let's say we want to build an app on our own. And at the top, you need to select a workspace. Now, once it's done, as you can see, it will automatically show you into the database. From here, you can choose to either fill the database on your own, set up automations, interfaces, as well as create forms or generate them in order to gather and organize your data. What you can also do is on the left hand side, you can ask AI to build anything. So at the bottom, you can start a table with a project, a contact company, a contract inventory asset, and at the bottom, you can also import your data. So from here within the AI, let's say we want to create a sales table. Let's say I want to create a modern CRM app for a small business. The CRM should help manage leads, customers, sales opportunities, and follow up activities. You can also specify the exact fields that you want to get. So at the bottom, it will ask you a few questions, such as what's the main challenge? Let's say tracking leads, managing customers, improving follow ups, and you can also add other. It will also ask you the key processes or workflows, let's say leads, pipelines, and follow up reminders, and who will use the CRM. Let's say the sales representatives, the managers, and the support staff. At the bottom, it will automatically add the message, and once you press on enter, as you can see, it will gather all of the information. And at the bottom, it will ask you if you do want to build it. Let's say that we do. So simply click on build it. And once you click on build it, it will automatically build the tables here on the right hand side. You won't be able to edit a few things. At the bottom, it is also stating that it will generate the table for us. And as you can see, we already have here a table that is being formed. We also have forms in order for us to gather our data. The interfaces, we can automatically see them, the automations, as well as the data table. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.